On the record in cause number 321226, the state of Texas versus Patrick Shane Jordan. Mr. Patrick Shane Jordan was scheduled to be in court or appear on Zoom or via telephone for the court's pretrial conference plea docket at 9 a.m. on the day's date of February 1st of 2021. Mr. Jordan's name was called at or about 9 a.m. By the court's bailiff. He did not answer. He has not called in the court. He has not appeared on Zoom. And he has not appeared in court since the court's been in session. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Patrick Jordan again?
Patrick Jordan. Patrick Jordan.
Okay. Patrick Jordan's name was again called by the court's bailiff, and this time is 11:23 a.m. on today's date. He did not answer. The court has received information from Mr. Jordan's attorney, Mr. Ryan Matuska, in this case regarding Mr. Jordan. I think his attorney, Mr. Matuska, stated that he was that the attorney was sick, and so at this time the court is going to well, a warrant shall be issued for the arrest of Patrick Jordan. Bond will be forfeited, but at this time the court is going to put a hold on it until 4 p.m. today. I think Mr. Matuska is getting in contact with his client because Mr. Matuska maybe told his client not to appear. But in any event, his bond is being forfeited, but that forfeit will be put on hold until unless we receive contact from Mr. Jordan before the bond forfeiture goes into place. Ms. Ramos, do you have any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, no objections. We're on the record in cause number 324730, State of Texas versus Austin Talbot. Mr. Talbot was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. on the day's date of February 1st, 2021 for the court's announcement docket. Mr. Talbot's name was called at about 9 a.m. He did not answer. He has not appeared by Zoom, nor has he telephoned the court. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Austin Talbot?
Austin Talbot. Austin Talbot. Right.
Okay. Austin Talbot's name was just called again at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. Mr. Talbot did not answer. Mr. Talbot has not appeared in court, and the time is 11:25 a.m. on today's date of February 1st of 2021. Now, Mr. Talbot's attorney, I think, was contacted by this assistant district attorney, and the attorney informed the assistant district attorney that the attorney was out of town handling a medical matter, and that Mr. Talbot's felony case, which is set on February 8th of 2021, and I think his attorney may have informed his client that, well, the felony attorney thought that the misdemeanor case would be reset to that date as well, and maybe he informed his client that his case was reset till February 8th, which is not the case. However, we will allow his attorney, Mr. John West, have an opportunity to get in contact with him. At this time, the court is going to issue a bond forfeiture. A warrant will be issued for arrest, but for Mr. Talbot, but that will be placed on hold till 4 p.m. until Mr. West, the attorney, if his client contact the court prior to the bond forfeiture going into effect. Ms. State, do you have any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, that should be the order of court. Also, we're on the record in cause number 325730, the state of Texas versus John Brown. Mr. Brown's name was called at about 9 a.m. He did not answer. Mr. Brown was supposed to be here for the court's announcement docket at 9 a.m. Therefore, and he has not appeared in court. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of John Brown?
John Brown. John Brown. No response, Your Honor.
Okay. No, Mr. Brown has not appeared in court for this docket call. He has not answered. His name was just called, and the time is 11:27 a.m. on the day's date of February 1st of 2021. Therefore, his bond will be forfeited. State, you have any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Brown's bond will be forfeited and warrant shall be issued for his arrest. And this will conclude the calling of the court's announcement docket and the court pretrial conference docket.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Carol Savanino was James Pageant's client that he had a felony, and Mr. Pageant thought that the defendant had completed JCDI. And I got word from the felony prosecutor that the misdemeanor was to be dismissed, and I've signed that dismissal and it's on the tablet for you.
Okay. Thanks a lot.